Yeah. You know if you talk say you need to make a pizza and burger and plantain chips and crisps and that, but we can't talk about beans and cocoa. Yo, that be where we from. On for love your country. Yeah, and the bloggers too. On the portray some on the blog about some things we no need, like just to tarnish artists in brand. You understand? Like it really no need. Thank you. It really no need. Trust me. Make wanna push the Ghanaian the Ghana music. The agenda be say we for push Ghana music. You understand? Yeah, because it not be easy to record. Me, I'm always in the studio. I did my studio right now. This is my office too. I'm always recording. I'm always trying to push Ghana music to a different level. You get me? But make when I know they there and you do some kind videos and then try to tarnish Ghana music. When I say could you shout in the talk say Shatawale do some hard job being today they take collect our yo. Shout you yourself, you know correct. You understand? You yourself, you know correct. Forget everything. Like you for not say the way and Kofu be brave show. That's why you have a YouTube channel and loads of people respect the shit you're doing. I really respect what you do because you break down lyrics for people to comprehend what you are trying to say. But no do that one. No try destroy artists in brand because you feel say blah blah blah. No, don't do that. Like I mean, let's push Ghana music because when our generation be this, if we don't fix some, this thing say it be normal to do that to destroy artists. To you go YouTube then you go type maybe Shatawale is on there. You go see Kojo Sheldon says Shatawale did that stupid music. Like no, that's not what we need to see. We need to see Kojo Sheldon is actually breaking up Shatawale and pitching him up for a Grammy or BET award. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, that's how it's supposed to move. And then when you win and win, because if one day no go Grammy, you know, go get content come put on your Yawa of the day or the breakdown or to even make news about it for you to also get views and then eat off it. Because the things you supposed to know, you they eat off them. You understand what I talk? So my whole point is say make on a know if it be if it be music where we they talk about, bruh, talk about the music. Don't talk about anything else. Don't come beat around the bush and then feel say because of some trending, you want trend. So yeah, this is what you for talk about. Yo, when I come on your show, talk about music. When you talk about something I don't like, I'll just get up and leave. And that be El Chemano. This will be medical. Medical be very humble. El Chemano be different. You understand? I just go get up and leave because at the end of the day, my fuel I put for my car inside. The time I go wake up, my breath and everything, it be easy to achieve. People they pay to watch me. You understand? I'm a fucking superstar. I'm an artist. People pay money and then put me on stage. You understand? So if you understand that one, say if I come on your show, it be privilege for me and you all. Me, I know will come do something will spoil your name because at the end of the day, if we finish the show, your names have not will be mentioned. Obviously, you go talk, say, I come on your show where I talk this, and then when I go misinterpret the headline, then they talk something different. When I go change them, yo, Munjai is our life, and you're guy, yeah. You don't be guy. I mean, see how come I just get up and leave because at the end of the day, my fans love me and my fans where they do the music from. You understand? Big up any radio station, any DJ, any TV station where they play my shit. I really appreciate. I mean, God bless you, Lord. Thank you so much for supporting my craft. Thank you for believing in me because from day one, anybody will play my song before I even they become who I be right now. I'm counting that today I do where I did. But like as I talk, people where they do pandemics and stuff, they go online, then they go talk some things. The other day, Kobe they tell me say, if I perform, they look like I be too excited. When I see the crowd, I get too excited. Not a family team, so I don't know what I'm doing, and then I should check my breath control. Yo, you don't know how we do this. Like Unim Star, you have no idea how to even record a hit song. Artists for bring content out, make you feel fish out some things before you even figure something talk about on your website or wherever. You understand? You don't know how it did. You don't even know how to even create a melody. Rap now, I must say Asano. You can't cause no. And banku rap na no. Bro, it no be easy. Like me, I know they write my rap. I nyamia shrami. You understand? Me come microphone cheaper. The make be a there because vibes and nyankopon dey shami. The make no, we make the same thing but enkofa because star make no. Shrabi woman na me dey ka the make. What the make na say? So if come they tell me say you that I did take advice from anybody. I call that 6-year-old committing inspiration free no. Nyom Emma one over my brother. But I got me say person set here then and we say, yeah, if I rap or if I perform, I for check some things. Like when I see the crowd, I get too excited. Of course, bro, the fuck, if I see the crowd, I'm supposed to be excited. Because at the end of the day, there'll be the reason why I did there. And then, yo, thousands of people, they sing your song. Then they craze for you. Same way you craze for them, say, then they appreciate your shit. Of course, you're supposed to be excited. Do you get what I'm saying? Yeah, because at the end of the day, you know, they may not to me yet. What I say, they always there to me. Say attitude. What opinion? Maybe I walk line. What too short to be at? Maybe everybody say, medical. I'll fish out and then block. If you normal, I will fit one normal. But you know if he get his song, you know if he enter studio record, get some vibes, create song. No, fuck that. You people will get system. We don't get system. We God be on a system. We don't get some people where when you drop song, we they pitch them to them, make them automatically make the song blow. No, we don't do that. Yeah, you know, you drop here, your fans na daroma, any yankupon, inshira ne way so no. Emmanuel call. Yeah. Because when we came into the industry, you know, we're like, oh, I quite want a woman 1 year, woman 2 years. And it's been like 7 years, bro. Still I age name. Yeah, but my age name macho, no be today. And then when it comes to my rap, yeah, anything you hear from my rap inside is fucking real. I don't cap in my rap. Bibi abi kabia near my koso. Me damu ami kawum, me hitin so ami kawum. Me won say me yet tattoo before be na say me nyeska. And I say won say me yimi tibia. Yeah, and then I will put them in the rap because at the end of the day, you know, a lifestyle. And you feel I remember bet you say we new era why me bet you say what the 4+4 boom 8 and no long. What the make I say? I will break down the rap for you. We get raps like that. We get rap will be intricate. But forget about that one. If you want to go commercial, yo, another rappers, anybody will want blue, upcoming. Yo, if you won't go commercial, trust me, no go do some calculation, no go do some rap where the rap no, we they talk about maybe Idi Amin, Father being Sisto, where you go chop some intro, where Idi Amin no come see and where ball, where so if you calculate the rapper, Idi Amin Sisto, so do you understand? Yo, that shit is long, trust me. Over punchline the crowd, breaking it down. Now more beyond here. Yeah, so you go think say when I rap now, it be simple. If you walk into the booth, you go feed one. Try them. A lot of people they try them. As I come, I say a lot of people they try to do the style song, then they try to do the song. Yo, forget it. In fact, I didn't know how to point next year. This is because I name a giant now being conquered to us. Because for Ghana here right now, I be the best rapper in the country, and you don't know it. I'm not for even. And what's up, the boss? Munim nada. And then I am for be brave. But I'm a kwakobano. Maybe I'm into me. I want you to be a man. I mean, said I'm supposed to be a no. Now I'm crazy. You understand? Yeah. We give dancers like superstar dancers for the country inside. We give them his song. Yeah, that will make you know how powerful the craft be. And you all need to appreciate it because man, they on a level where we are not ready to climb down. So make you know pull off for some places and then you go try bring something where you go intimidate person because that reaction where you go they look for no, you go get them. You understand? Yeah, you go get that reaction where you they look for because we will give you that reaction because you know go be medical we go did that day go be El Chemano where El Chemano increase. You understand? So yeah, make nobody and then it's not a crime to see a youth to see a fellow youth shining. Who say, but down for be out of car and that's when yes, be happy for that person because I down for no let me wow. One boy cry now wishing well. I said in Yakupon who say Wakum me clean. That's how God is gonna bless you. You feel me? Yeah. Charlie, Mama miss you, right? Yeah, Mama miss you because El Chemano man hit it too much. Hey, Arande, I'll be with you soon, okay? Yeah. We are the turner. So make on another one and then keep pushing Ghana music. Yo, every day then go they play Niger music for club. Maybe soccer, then go play Burna Boy, they go play all of them songs. They jump to them, yeah. But when they play Ghana song, most of Ghana you need your phone. Moamo Kasano, yeah, Kasana, you crew, yeah, Kasano, most of your phone. Chatali and you might have been to say there, I don't know why you visa and your phone. I ain't the Nigeria for Nigeria for no Greek and no French. You understand? It will be easy. There's no system here. But I tell you. System there, taco system. It will be easy. Trust me. The system will be easy. The taco system. So if you see any artist will blow, trust me. it no be easy. Once artists be able to. Recently, I go America with some group of people. I beg you close the door for me. Yo, close the door for me. I go America recently with a group of people. Then they talk about Asaka, and then they were like, yeah, boys, I'm a Ghana fool, and then they were like, boys, we cry more time, you betray me, yo, I just flipped, and I stood, I was like, yo, we're Ghana, Okran post a promoter, and then you go need these people on your show. Don't fucking blow ya like that. This be wave. Be happy that they created that wave, because as Ska music boss up the world, like. Everybody they fuck with my music right now. Me personally, I did listen to my songs. My wife they listen. I did fuck with them. I fuck with J-Bad. I fuck with all of them. You understand? If you see something like this, I mean, you have to be happy, because if you have Ska music, this Kumasi Americans will create that drill wave way right now. It day everywhere. We all doing drill music, but I'm drill no. I'm a Ghana music, no hip hop scene, no. I'm migrate to your next level. You understand? So. If you feel like there's some trashy wave, then when they are playing the song in the crowd, or when you did crowd inside, or when you did clap, when they play the song, no jump to the song, shut up. Or and I say free clap, because we are there, everybody know a clap. You understand? Because I'm 100% Ghanaian. Man, me, I don't fake. I don't care about your money. I don't care about your car. I don't care about what you have, what you don't have. I don't give a fuck. If you're doing something that's not right, I'll tell you that, yo, stop talking shit. Man, guys, I'm going to say me. I don't care how you will see me. Me, I know they kiss ass. I know they found food. Anybody will go fuck up, who fuck you up. I remember when who say you what fuck you up. A lot of niggas left my camp because them fuck up who I blow them my mind. That be how I did. Opa ko koye me hon talk, koye me hon nyom, koyi hu na ye me hu video, ko tattoo true mu nyina na fa be kira man san say medical I say my esa. I don't give a fuck. That be how I did. Yeah, that's what I did where I did, because I did mind my fucking business. When you come and you want me to put you on, of course, I'm a human being and I like to help people. When you want me to put you on, I will put you on. Yeah, because that be how I did, naturally. And I'm not going to change. I don't care anybody will come and come before, where right now, you know, they will blow ya. And if I still want to help people, I will help you. Yeah, that be how I did. That be how I did. Automatically. So yeah, making no thing say, Ghana music, and then some boys come in and then go past and this boy see, yo, fuck that, in the wave. Be happy for your people. Be happy there's a new wave. Be happy Ghana music the trend. Be happy there's something that someone has created. Yeah, big up Asaka boys, big up Americans, big up all the young kids, big up the outdoor, yo, big up anybody really messed the wave up right now. Big up Kofi Jamal, big up Island. Yeah, of course. Big up Island. Yeah, big up anybody. Yeah, you understand? Yeah, because and yeah, easy. What I say? Okay. Yeah, because it no be easy. Big up Kofi Jamal. One time for you. Yeah, forget everybody. Shout to Flo Devi. I'm manager. Yeah. So that be the whole point how they try and make. Because I no joke with the Ghana music online, offline, everywhere. Show the love. If you don't love it, don't talk about it. That be the whole point. If you know they love Ghana music, wherever you did, don't talk about them. Yeah, I've been in a club. I've paid money, yeah? I paid money for club made them play Ghana musicians than my songs before. Not even my songs. I just wanted the Ghana wave vibe for the club, because they were playing a lot of Nigerian music. They were playing a lot of, other songs. I love Nigerian music. Davido be my friend like this, you understand? And then I fuck with Davido anytime, you understand? But I love my country too. I know if you listen just Nigerian music if I did someplace, once I be Ghanaian. Wait, I know be the only Ghanaian where I did there. A lot of Ghanaians did there, you understand? Yeah. Miss me with that bullshit say, yo, we just did club, for mine. No, for play the music, put that song on rotation. I give DJ $1,000, make it put Ghana songs on rotation. On my mama, you go feel ask Kofi Jam. This trip where I go America, you understand? So I won't make you people know say, yo, at the end of the day, it's all love. You understand? It be all love. And then I'm always not fanfooling. I just try to be the best person I go fit be and be real with any situation we will come in my way. I don't go act funny towards them. I don't go act some type of way, you understand? Shout out to anybody who support my music from day one, day uno. Hold on one second. Shout out to anybody who support my music from day one, day uno. Oseye, myself featuring Kwame UG. It's on the Amazing Grace. It's out now. Jump to it, download it, share it.